Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Lost Goddess, and in this tutorial guys I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get the mod for the game guys, which works for the both devices guys, iOS and Android. So if you want to learn how to do this guys, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to explain all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it on your own device by yourself. Okay, just a few seconds to get connected with the game guys so you can see it by yourself how the mod looks like, and then I'm going to share with you all the steps I did it. Okay, all right, here we are, almost there guys. Okay, just to skip this part, and as you can see guys, right over here you're gonna get unlimited resources. And now I'm gonna share with you the steps I did for myself. So basically guys, before you start the whole thing, you just need to check a few things in the settings. So we need to set up a few things in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly. In case you're using a lower power mode guys, a lot of people are using lower power mode. Okay, it will make you that automatic downloads to be disabled. So if you go to app store, as you can see over here, automatic downloads get all disabled in the case you're using lower power mode. So all you have to do, you just need to come to the battery, turn off lower power mode. If you check again to app store here in the settings, as you can see, it got enable everything. So in this first one guys, which shows app downloads, if this option is off, make sure you turn it on so it allows automatic downloads in your device. And this steps is required just if you are using iOS devices guys. If you are using Android device, you don't have to do anything in the settings guys. Android is a different system and it does it by itself automatically. So all you have to do guys, you just have to go straight to your internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google, whatever. Just go in this search. This site is called Modolix, Modolix. Once you're gonna enter in guys, you're gonna have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested. I'm just gonna use the searching bar, it's faster, so not to make the video too long. And here it is guys. You have information about the game and the mod here in the corner, the install button. So basically by the end of this process you're going to be able to complete all the steps required and get the mod same as me. So this is it guys, I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you. Cheers.